Hi, kindergarten. I was talking the other day about how to cut a sandwich up into halves and fourths, and Hilton was around and he was listening, and he said he wants something to eat too. So I had these cookies. Oh, don't eat it yet, Hilton. Wait, Hilton. Wait, Hilton. Calm down. Okay, all right, Hilton, if you will wait here, how about I cut this cookie? Look, guys, kind of pretending. It's a circle, like a cookie, right? Okay, if you can wait, Hilton, I'm going to cut this cookie in half for you. Is that good? Oh, okay, calm down, Hilton. Okay, I'm going to put you over here, okay? All right, sit down. All right, so I'm going to see if I can cut this cookie in half for Hilton and I to share. Let's see if I can do this. All right. Here we go. Okay, Hilton. I'm going to take this piece like this, and you can have this piece right here. This piece is for you. What? You don't like it? It's too small? Oh, it's too small. Okay. Hilton says that these are not equal. These pieces are not equal to each other. He says this one is way too small. He wants a bigger piece. All right, Hilton, I'll see if we can make you a bigger piece. Let me see. Let me get another cookie. All right, here's a cookie. Let me see if I can cut you an equal piece. Okay. Ah, see, that's bigger, Hilton. Look. See, I got this piece and this piece. What do you think, Hilton? No. Hilton says no. Why not? It's still too small, he says. This one is not the same as this one. They're not equal. Ah, they're not equal. Okay. How can you tell? Do you remember, kindergarten? Do you remember how you can tell if they're equal? What do? Do you remember? They will overlap. Very good. They'll overlap. Okay, let me see if I can cut one more, Hilton, and see if I can get some equal pieces, okay? All right, Hilton. Okay. All right, let me see. I got one more cookie here. One more chance. All right. Here's my cookie. All right, Hilton. Now, are these pieces? Let's see. They look about equal. Can I overlap them? Oh, do they overlap? All right, let's see if Hilton will like this one. Okay, Hilton, what do you think? Is this piece of a cookie acceptable to you? He says he wants to see the other piece. Okay, here's the other piece. Is this piece of the cookie acceptable to you? Okay. He says he wants to eat it right now. Hilton, I need this for a demonstration for kindergarten. See, they're in there, and they have to see how we did this with equal pieces. Oh, he's crying. Oh, he's so sad. He says he wants a cookie so bad. Okay, Hilton, I tell you what. Here is a cookie because you are such a good helper. Here's a whole cookie for yourself. Ah! Oh, good. Oh, goodness. Okay, Hilton, calm down. Oh, gosh. Okay, I'm going to put Hilton over here. Meantime, while Hilton is eating his cookie, I'm going to glue and tape up all these pieces over here so you can see which are equal and unequal. All right. Okay, everybody, so I glued these up, and now Hilton has eaten his cookie, I think. I want to show you what we just did. So remember when we were talking about equal and not equal, when we were talking about it with squares, it looks a little bit different than when we're talking about it with circles. So down here are some unequal pieces of the cookies that I had. The Hilton did not want the small piece. They are unequal. You can't overlap those. One is way bigger than the other. It's not a half. On here, same thing. These pieces are not equal. They are not halves. Two pieces of one whole, but they're not equal to each other. They're not halves. On this side, when I cut the cookie in half straight down the middle and we could overlap the halves, that is showing halves. Two equal pieces of one whole circle cookie. That's how you show a half of a circle. All right, if your challenge for at home to practice this, if you have any coffee filters at your house or any muffin liners, that's what I use for a cookie, but don't tell Hilton, he doesn't know. If you have any muffin liners or coffee filters, you can ask your mom and dad to practice, to borrow some to practice cutting them in half to see if you can make equal halves. Remember, if they're equal, they'll overlap. And here's another challenge for you. Since this is almost the weekend and you're going to have a little bit more time, ask your parents if you can make some round cookies. So you can make any kind of round cookies you want. They could be chocolate chip, they could be oatmeal, they could be sugar cookies, they could be peanut butter cookies. Whatever kind of cookie makes a round shape, you can use that. The catch is, when you finish making your cookie, you have to take one and see if you can cut it into equal halves. So you can have one and either your mom or your dad or your grandma or your brother or your sister or somebody can share the other half with you, okay? And if you decide to make cookies, take a picture of the one that you cut in half and email it to me. I would love to see it. I hope you have fun, and I will talk to you again soon about fractions. Bye.